and armed with armor combined, attached with 30mm grenade launcher, and equipped with map, compass, night vision goggles, and utility rope. His body is Martin Lear. The automatic rifleman Alpha. He is responsible in providing sustained automatic fire for the squad to secure the lead flank area of the squad during movements and holds. And the Iron Will, squad automatic weapon, equipped with utility rope. His body is Rifleman Alpha. The Rifleman Alpha. As a sniper, he is responsible in providing long-range fire support, conducting reconnaissance and observation and neutralizing high-value targets, while maintaining concealment and avoiding detection. Armed with DMR, equipped with binoculars and utility rope. His body is automatic Rifleman Alpha. The squad leader. He is responsible for what squad does or feels to do. He is a tactical leader, and such a lead by example, armed with armor combined, equipped with binocular, map, compass, handheld radio, night vision goggles, and utility rope. His body is everybody. Sergeant Leader Bravo. He controls the